Yeah. Hey guys, it's Via. Okay, so obviously I already have my eyes done makeup wise. This was just the look I did this morning for work, so it's probably a little off right now. Basically this look, you could either not do eyes, you could do eyes if you wanted to. It really doesn't matter. We're gonna focus a lot on the cheek area for this look. So I'm gonna start by applying, I technically already have foundation on, but I've been wearing a mask all day and everything, so I just want to refresh it. So obviously prep and prime your skin first, and then I'm going to put on my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, which I usually use as concealer, but I do want to look a little lighter today for this look. I wouldn't call it a Halloween look because Halloween's over, but it's definitely in the nighttime Zodiac kind of vibe, I guess you would say. So then what I'm gonna be doing, this seems a little weird, but the thing is, you could definitely use a powder if you want to. Like, go for it if you want to, for real, but I just think they don't blend out as nice. So what I'm gonna do, basically, take some of this, the Rare Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna take just a black shade of eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a cheaper one because I'm gonna dig at it a little bit, and I want to dig at like a nice one. So I'm gonna take the black in this palette that I've literally had forever, and I'm gonna kind of mix those together. So I'm taking a good glob of concealer, and I kind of dig in there with these tweezers, I guess, and just kind of like scratch at the palette. Put that on my hand. So you got both of those. I hope this works. And then I'm gonna mix it. I'll just mix it with this brush that looks like it already has concealer on it. I'm gonna add a little more concealer in this. Also, if you noticed, I'm wearing earrings today. I'm allergic to metal, but you know when you're like allergic to something when you're little and then it kind of like fades out? I'm hoping that's gonna happen to me because every time I kind of wear a necklace now and then for a special event, it doesn't affect me as much as it used to. So I'm hoping that's going away. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to just take, I guess on the end of this for now. See what happens. Just take it on the end and just kind of start applying it like I would like a higher blush, I guess. And this is already blending out so much nicer than just like a powder would, for sure. This is obviously like a little lighter, so I'm probably gonna mix some more in to do a darker one and kind of create some shadowing and stuff, but that's definitely a good starting spot. I'm just gonna take the remainder of that, put some in my other contouring spots because I don't want that to be as harsh. So when I do the darker shades, I will not put it there, but if you want to, you can. So now I'm gonna take a little more concealer. I'm gonna scratch this black color again, scratch it, and I think I'm gonna add some of this color in there too because I want the sparkles, if you guys can see those. So I am gonna go in again, and I would not use a beauty blender you care about for this look. This is one that I clearly don't care about. Probably got it for a present or something. It's not a very good makeup sponge, but I will use it for this. Just blending it up. I'm gonna blend some down in here. Whatever kind of little mistakes you want or things to clean up or blend out more, you can just do like either go in with another part of your sponge like I'm doing now, or you can go in with more foundation or concealer to help clean anything up. Gonna darken right here up a little bit more, right in my temple. I would just say you have to work with this pretty fast because it is concealer, so it's drying faster. Going to blend out some more. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. because it's a pretty sheer foundation, so I don't want to cover things. I just want to have more blended, so I don't want a very full coverage foundation for this. Kind of go back and forth, blending until you kind of feel like it's right. since we have the nice base on, now I'm gonna go in with a powder to kind of mattify everything and blend things out more, get rid of any harsh lines. The black from the James Charles palette. I'm gonna go in, I guess, with this brush because it's fluffy, but it's also kind of smaller. And just tap off. I don't want any fallout. Do it on this cheek first. And just kind of going in and blending right away. You don't want anything to dry and create any harsh lines. And I'm basically just gonna bring it all the way over to my nose. If you want to do the concealer on your nose as well, you can definitely do that. I'm just gonna go on those other contour lines and make them a little sharper. So to blend all of this so it doesn't just look like I'm wearing a mask, I'm gonna be taking my fluffy brush and my Fit Me powder and just kind of running over everything, blending it out, making it smooth. This doesn't create any harsh lines. We're kind of like setting with it. I'm gonna blend a little bit more with this brush, just up in here. Let's blend her. Blend it out a little with the Beauty Blender. That's looking a lot better. Cool. What I'm gonna do with the nose now, I'm gonna take the white, take this like concealer brush. I'm gonna just place that on my nose and kind of go up with it. Just blend it out. And just blend it out this way. I'll kind of just create some more dimension. And I'm gonna actually swoop it under my eyes as well. So just following the line of where I have the black. Just kind of flicking it out at the end. I think I'm also gonna do it on the bottom now. And see what we want to do with it towards the end. But I like that so far. Now is kind of the tricky part. Taking the white Morphe liquid eyeliner that I have, I'm redoing the moon phases. So I think I'm gonna start with the full moon, just keep going from there. I need to look up how many there are though, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I figured what I'm gonna do, I figured it out. So I'm gonna do the, yeah, I can do 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with a crescent. So it's gonna be like a crescent going, I think I'm gonna start with this way because I want them to go, or maybe, no, I'm gonna go this way first towards my face, so the crescent and then the half and then more than the crescent and then the full, like right on the apple of my cheek. I think that would look really cute. And then the opposite going this way, and then I'll do the same on this side. So here we go. Precision. So let's go for it. Mirror, mirror. Oh, I gotta fix this spot right here. Good enough for now. I feel like this eye look is looking too light for this. We might have to change it, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go out first. Okay. Cool. Now I'm gonna do the half. So now it's more than a half. I might have to redo this one. I think I messed up the shape of it. I think I have to go back and look at the shape of this one. Give me a minute, because I forgot it. We have the circle. Hopefully it's the easiest one. Let's do the other side. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this one, get the placement right. I'm gonna take this brush right here, cute, and I'm gonna go in with the black shade from the James Charles palette right there, and I'm basically just gonna start kind of outlining them. I think I'm gonna do this instead of filling them in with white, because I kind of like the textures because the moon is like textured and bumpy, so I think it kind of looks cool. But I'm basically just gonna outline them in this black, and then I'll be right back. So bye for now. So I outlined them all in black. I was able to kind of fix up this moon a little bit more with the white. It is a little bigger than this one, but like not like meh. Whatever. Anyway, so now it's time for the fun part. I am just gonna add some little white dots everywhere because I think that'd be really cute. Alright, so I have those drawn on. I'm gonna go in with a blue, kind of shinier blue, and so I'm gonna take this blue and this brush, and I'm kind of just gonna like put it in some random places for the galaxy kind of effect. I'm gonna take a silver. You could also use a white. I think that would be cute too, and just kind of where the blue is, I don't know, do a little, or just anywhere, not necessarily where the blue is, but little swirls and lines and things like that. So I'm gonna do a line, I think, in the white with the gold. This is looking really cute. I feel like I need to add some like purple or something to the eyes. I'm not loving the eye look with this. I'm gonna take that same blue color I was using actually. Let me clean off this little brush because I'm gonna be doing that sparkly blue right in here. I'm gonna pop her in the lid. All right, so that's on there, and then I'm just gonna go in with this fluffy brush that I use the blue for on my face. I'm gonna go in with this deeper purple, and I'm gonna do the smoky stuff where the red is right now. I use this one, the little fluffy end of it. I am going to take my Fit Me powder and just the other side of this brush and blend out that a little bit, make it a little less intense. I'm actually surprised how well my wing is like still there. Maybe if I use my finger. I am like pretty opposed to using my finger, but if something's not sticking, then I think it's necessary. And I blended the blue up a little bit into the purple with my finger as well. Okay, that is the underneath. I think I'm gonna basically leave my under eyes. I like them quite a bit, honestly. I am going to darken up my wing again because she got a little messed up. I'm gonna put some silver on it. And I can kind of just, I'm gonna bring the silver in. Yeah, I like it not pointed, actually, the silver. Like it kind of squared off. A really little brush I was using for the blue. I'm gonna take my NYX Ultimate palette because it has this really pretty color in it. I did use the James Charles, a shade in the James Charles palette before, but... And more silver. So I'm just gonna line right in here with silver. Right. I'm gonna throw on some more mascara real quick. Alright, so I have my mascara on. I can't decide if I want to make it white on my eye waterline or black. So I'm just gonna wait until I decide. I'm gonna go off camera and do my brows. I'm just gonna do a darker, longer, more curved brow. And then I'll be right back. Eyelash glue. These amazing golden spoons. Yeah, it was open. It was open. But anyway, let's begin, shall we? I'm gonna just dot this eyelash glue, and please don't use anything except for eyelash glue. I'm just gonna dot this all right here. I'm kind of going up my nose a little bit, and then I can kind of move it. It shouldn't move any of the makeup, and it will dry clear, or it should dry clear. Now I'm just gonna take it on this brush and see if I can gather the ones up. I'm just gonna be putting these all in here. I'm gonna do a couple other spots besides here, but this is the main spot that I'm gonna put them in. All right, now next spot I'm gonna put them, and again, you can really put them anywhere, but the next spot I'm gonna put them is right along here. Just right there. That looks real cute. I love that. Right, and then we have the stars. Let me do a real quick lip. Let me put on this red, and then I'm gonna put some purples in there, I think. Guess I'm using black. I just have a little black pencil. I'm gonna do a cute little ombre. Let's do the blue. Let's see what that looks like. I'm just gonna go in with my fingers. This was supposed to be a simple makeup look. I'm also gonna go in with the shiny purple and just hit the high points. I'm gonna add some stars to my lips. It just needs to happen. I kind of like the half and half. I'm not gonna do a falsie because I'm lazy. That is the completed makeup look today. I'm in love with this. I love the moons. It was literally just supposed to be this, but I went a little overboard as always. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my makeup Instagram, where I will be posting all the photos that I take in this makeup and many more. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!